Oy! Po, baby namin. Sige, slide ka na. Ay, gali. So fun. Baby ko, paaraw po kami. Ito po. Nanahimik po siya. Wala si Papa Beng. Oh, you try it again. Ito po, naiirita na po yung baby namin. Ito ba? Sige be! Slide ikaw! Sige be, slide ikaw! Lang! Slide na! Yan po yung bunso kong babae. Mag-i-slide na po siya. Slide na, Beng. No, natanggal your slipper. Sige, dali na. Slide na. Yay! Nairita na po yung baby namin. Ito po, paaraw kami ni baby at saka ni ate. You don't scared na? Oh, kuha kita pacifier. Oh, ito na pacifier, be. Slide si ate. Paaraw ikaw na.
He said, hi guys, hi, they here, they be picture being
Okay. Te, mabali, mapila yan, te. Ding ding.
Ding ding.
Okay. Love ni Ate Ella si Wakit. Te, mapilay, te, ha? Madaganan mo yung kamay niya, te.
Demon.
Happy 2 months, baby Wakit.
Happy birthday.
Happy 2 months old.
Happy
Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Prince Wakit.
It's okay.
Uti, upakano yung bunga nga, Uti.
Ito na, ito na. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
How I
Why like
wonder
that?
what you like a diamond in the sky.
Bad bird.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Ay, isa pa. Jesus loved the little children, all the children of the world. Red, brown, yellow, pink, black, and white, they're all precious in His sight. Jesus loved the little children of the world. Jesus died for all the children, all the children of the world. Red, brown, yellow, pink, black, and white, they're all precious in His sight. Jesus died for all the children of the world. Bye-bye na sa video.
Bye.
Bye-bye, guys. Ito po yung my birthday boy, Joaquin.
Bye.
Ay, mapilay.
Boy says bye.
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 Jeng. Joaquin. Jing, jing. Jing, 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 jing. Ang pogi-pogi niya. Ang bait-bait pa. Ang pogi-pogi niya. Ang bait-bait pa. Bakit nakataas ang kilay ng batang yan? Ano na naman yan? May muta yung bebe ko. Ayan, unti-unti na po siyang... Ayan po. Ah. Joaquin. Yan po yung baby boy ko. Natutulog po siya ngayon.
Happy birthday.